This is Gadgets Magazine TV, and here's the latest news.
Samsung recently introduced the AirDresser, a home appliance that minimizes the need for professional dry cleaning services. The AirDresser can be used to care for business suits, fancy clothes, intricate and sensitive garments, linen, and soft toys. The cleaning process starts off with the jet air and air hangers that release powerful air to remove stubborn dirt and dust. A jet stream then sterilizes the clothes to get rid of bacteria, viruses, or allergens by infusing high-temperature steam into the fabric. The heat pump drying feature gently dries the clothes at a low temperature to minimize heat damage. Its wrinkle care process smooths out wrinkles without ironing by using a combination of steam and air to relax the fabric. Finally, a deodorizing filter freshens clothes by breaking down odor particles caused by sweat, tobacco, and food. Its self-clean technology sanitizes the machine's interior without harsh cleaners. The Samsung AirDresser retails for 129,995 pesos with a 20% discount until August 31.